Good morning, everyone. We are headed out on our adventures today.
We are going parasailing. I'm actually really nervous, but at the same time, I'm really excited. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, she's afraid of heights, so it's definitely going to be an interesting one. And we're also going to be trying our hand at surfing today as well. So
Yay.
We're going to get on the road and get at it.
So we just finished doing the parasailing, and it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. It actually was kind of smooth, like you just ran with the parachute and it like lifted you up as the boat was going away. And while you are up there, it just looks so pretty that I think I just got distracted and I couldn't like get nervous.
So we had an excellent time, and now we're going to go ahead and try surfing.
Just finished attempting to surf because I fell completely. He actually got to stand up. I did not for a single second.
So we had this last minute chance. We're gonna go and try out some water skiing and wakeboarding.
Wakeboard, yes. I'm excited. I've never done that before, so let's see how it goes.
Hopefully it goes better than the surfing. Well, the water skiing and wakeboarding was a big fail for both of us.
Yeah, I was not able to stand up, and I got like a big rash, I guess. I don't know if I did it with the water or with the rope that I was holding. So we just gave up after, our time passed and we just completely failed at it.
Yeah. So now for our last evening, we're gonna go look for a place to eat and go back to the beach and get one last view of that sunset that we had last night. The weather actually looked a little bit better today, so we're hoping there'll be even fewer clouds, so it should look even better today. After a delicious dinner, we are back in our Airbnb. Good morning, everybody. We are heading out from our Airbnb to go to the airport to check out first class lounge life.
We made it to the lounge. It was a little bit of an adventure just having to go through security and like having our test ready for COVID to be able to fly back. But it was very smooth. I feel like it just took like 10 minute stops like to go through like when we got our boarding passes to get into the lounge. And right now we just ordered a beer and we're gonna have some breakfast. awesome. The food was great, but sadly our trip came to an end.
Even though we were sad to leave, we were taking some great memories with us, and we truly can't wait to come back to this beautiful country.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see where our adventures take us next, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And we will see you all in our next escape.